Hey guys, thank you for joining me once again for another pregnancy update. This will be my third pregnancy update, and as of today, December 27th, I am 29 weeks pregnant. I am in my third trimester of pregnancy, thank God. So I've been in the third trimester of pregnancy since the 28th week. I believe the last time I did a pregnancy update video, I believe I was 25 or 26 weeks. So there's quite a few things I like to talk about, not really much, but there are definitely some updates that I would like to talk about. So first and foremost, his name is not going to be Andre. No one seemed to like that. His dad definitely didn't like that. So we decided on another name, which we will reveal in the video when the baby is born. So I do plan on documenting the actual birth and all of that stuff, and I'm still thinking about doing updates when the baby is here. I think it would be pretty selfish for me not to do that, so I'm definitely still thinking about doing that. So yeah, his name will begin with an A. It's going to be a combination of my name and his name. So we did figure out something, and I think the name is very pretty or very cute, and it's not that common, but it's definitely a pretty name. Anyway, so yeah, so now that I'm in my third trimester, I'm going to go ahead and read to you from my laptop what Baby Center is saying about me at 29 weeks. So it's saying, your baby now weighs 2.5 pounds, about the size of a butternut squash, whatever that is, and is a tad over 15 inches long from head to heel. It says to meet his increasing nutritional demands, you'll need plenty of protein, vitamin C, folic acid, and iron. So speaking of which, my doctor has increased my iron intake because the last time I went, she noticed that I guess I just wasn't taking enough iron. My stomach is definitely getting a whole lot bigger. I can definitely feel the weight of the baby like I've never felt before. Of course, it's my third trimester, but it's really difficult for me to move around, and I get tired really fast, shortness of breath or whatnot. And I just noticed that with every pregnancy it's always different, but with my first two pregnancies I didn't have this much of a difficult time, probably because now my home is 2-story versus one as it was before with the other two kids. And yeah, it's difficult for me to sleep at night. I do have a case of insomnia. I get up in the middle of the night, maybe 2 to 4 hours at a time, and probably because my mattress is extremely uncomfortable, I think it's definitely time for me to invest in a good mattress. And in the meantime, I've just been sleeping on lots and lots of pillows. So I think this is like 4 or 5 pillows back here that I have to sleep on just to stay comfortable, and I still end up waking up. So I think it's definitely the mattress. I still have yet to get me a maternity belt because I just been so lazy. Like, I have to do my research on it and I just keep forgetting about it. So I definitely need to get that because my back is having some back issues as far as just being uncomfortable and a little bit of pain. So yeah. I did do a glucose test the last time I went to the doctor, and I'm assuming that it came out okay because they haven't they've contacted me, but they didn't say anything about the test. And the glucose test is to pretty much test your blood sugar levels for gestational diabetes, which is just diabetes while you're pregnant. So I guess I've been doing pretty good. I guess my diet isn't as horrible as it may seem. I'm not sure if it's pretty much a diet thing or like a hereditary type of thing, but I cleared the test on that, so I'm pretty happy with that. And what's coming up is my my hospital tour, which I'm really excited about. And I think I have some other tests to do, and then it's just pretty much just waiting for the baby. Now that Christmas and the holidays are over, I can definitely start concentrating on shopping for the baby. I have yet to start shopping because the holidays are here, and it just wasn't a good time to be shopping for a baby that was not going to be here until March. I do have 2 other kids that I did need to take care of for Christmas and whatnot. So now that the holidays are over, I'm very excited to finally be shopping for him, for the new baby, and focusing all of my attention on him and preparing for his homecoming. I'm pretty excited about that. I am due March 13th, and it's been a pretty long pregnancy, so it's finally coming to an end, and I'm very excited about that once again. So now that I got his name and everything else situated, and I know where I'm going to be giving birth, I'm definitely looking forward to doing a little bit of shopping. So yeah, I guess the only other thing that I've noticed with him is that he kicks a lot. His kicks are so strong, they hurt. I can't feel him kicking now. And yeah, he didn't like that, but his kicks are really, really strong. Like, I'm like, ouch. Like, it feels like I have like a baby Incredible Hulk inside of my stomach, because he's just a very active boy, and he does let it be known that, hey, I am in here and I am tearing your organs up. Oh, I'm just kidding, but that's just how it feels like. Like, he's just like, you know, kicking a spleen, or, you know, pulling on a rib, or, you know, he really can't do that, but I'm just kidding. That's what it feels like. The Braxton Hicks contractions are getting really strong. I remember one night I was laying in bed and I had a Braxton Hicks contraction, and I thought I was going into preterm labor. I had to like grab onto some stuff, like, oh my gosh, like, what is going on? And they were coming like really frequently, so I was thinking they were coming like really frequently, so I was like, oh my gosh, like, you know, am I about to have this baby? Did they lie about my due date? But no, it was just once again, just a lot of stress or whatnot. And once I relaxed and lay down, the contractions went away and the pain eased a little bit. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I did upload a video involving the first couple of weeks of, well, not the first couple of weeks. I did upload a video of some vlogs that I filmed, like, during, I believe, like, the first trimester of my pregnancy, and that video is up now, so please check that out. And it's basically just shows me going through the motions of being pregnant, and how I felt during morning sickness, and what I was going through. So yeah, I think that's about pretty much it. Anything else that comes up, I will definitely mention in the next video. And yeah, so for today, the look that I'm wearing is a very dramatic glittery look. I just did a tutorial on this for New Year's Eve, so if you're interested, then please check that out as well. And don't forget to check out the vlog video, which documents me in my first trimester pregnancy. And once again, I do thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.